Buongiorno a tutti. As you might have noticed from the first glimpse, I'm not filming it from my boring kitchen table today. I'm filming it from this amazing place that's called Hotel Fortuna in Harghita County in Romania. No, it's not the forest. This is my hotel room. This place I go to when I feel the need to recharge my batteries, to deeply relax, to have a change of scenery. And as you can imagine, after 3 months basically of staying inside the house, it's a very welcome and a wonderful change. Well, it didn't stop me from learning some Italian though. And let me share with you what I've learned. First of all, I learned the verb to be for the plurals. And it goes like this. Noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. Noi siamo, I made the parallel with noi, like we, and siamo like Siamese twins. Noi siamo, we are the Siamese twins. Then voi siete, I made the connection with the word sete. It's in Romanian, means thirsty. Are you thirsty? When the guests come and say, oh, are you thirsty? Would you like some water? And loro sono, sono is the same as for I. Io sono, loro sono. Next thing that Busu taught me is talking about my free time. The question is, cosa fai nel tempo libero? And the options that they give there at Busu, at the beginning, it was like a total miss for me. They started with giving option, mi piace cucinare. No, total miss. Another one, mi piace fare sport. Not really. Mi piace lavorare in giardino. No, really not me. Then they went on to some activities that I could actually relate to. Leggere, to read. And a sentence that I can definitely relate to. La sera mi piace leggere libri. Another word is uscire, to go out, which I connected to the Romanian word ușa, which means the door. When you go out, you use the door, right? So uscire. Another thing, another activity is guardare la TV. I don't watch TV, so I can say that mi piace guardare film. That's as far as my Busu learning goes. But as we were driving about 4 hours from Bucharest to Băile Tușnad, we had a chance to bombard our subconscious brain with Italian songs. So all these 4 hours, we only listened to Italian songs in the car, from Toto Cutugno, Ricci Poveri, Albano, Amino Power. And it was amazing. It brought on some teenage memories, and we could talk about, with my husband, we could talk about things that it was actually interesting. It was like these groups that are popular in Romania about the same time. And this morning, when my husband woke up, he said, you know what is running through my head now? All these Italian songs that we've listened to. So I'd say that's a good way to learn a language. And I'll definitely be learning some Italian songs and maybe even singing them for you if I'll have the courage to do it. So I'm off to a wonderful day of relaxation and recharging. And maybe tomorrow I'll put at the end of my learning video some vlog with some activities that we're going to do today. I'm so excited. So have a wonderful day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.